Cozmo is a companion that provides entertainment and emotional connection. It reduces loneliness or enhances social interaction. It connects to a mobile device via a local Wi-Fi network and does not require constant internet access. Cozmo has a small screen and uses expressive eyes to convey emotions, such as happiness, sadness, frustration, curiosity, and excitement. Its eye movements, blinks, and gaze shifts make its reactions feel lifelike. Cozmo is equipped with emotional expressions. Interacting with an emotionally expressive robot can help children and others develop empathy and understand emotional cues. Cozmo is important not only as an educational and entertaining tool but also as a demonstration of how robots can integrate emotional intelligence into human-robot interactions. Its ability to express emotions creates meaningful, engaging experiences that make it more than just a machine. It becomes a relatable companion and an inspiring gateway into AI and robotics.